Other than this epic blackened chicken, everything else is your classic ingredients from Cobb salad, plus my incredible vinaigrette, which I'm also gonna link in the description box for you. So if you're into homemade dressings that take like 2 minutes, make sure to make that. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna chop up my romaine lettuce, which I've already washed before this video, so you can get to your salad a lot quicker. Now, whether you build this Cobb salad for 1 or 4 people, this is epic because a Cobb salad has hard-boiled eggs, tomatoes, crispy bacon. Hold up, I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's continue making it. I'm also chopping up some crispy cucumber because it's juicy. These English cucumbers are delicious. Also, cherry tomatoes, you can put them whole on top or in half. I personally like them sliced in half. What would a Cobb salad be without a hard-boiled egg? Let's cut this guy in half. Let's make some room on the board and put these guys on the salad. I'm gonna coarsely chop up this bacon that I cooked in the microwave, which if you've never done it before, I'll link that video for you right below. Now I'm gonna add a shallot to my Cobb salad. Shallot and onions are cousins. I just happen to have a shallot around. It's milder than red onions, but if you like red onion on your salads, go ahead and do that. Now, this blackened chicken is simply incredible. I cooked it in another video, which I'm gonna leave the recipe and the link to that below. It'll be the tastiest chicken you'll ever make. So I'm simply going to slice it. You can make an entire pan just like I did here and have it in the fridge for when you make your salads throughout the week. It adds tons of flavor and lots of protein. I'm gonna add some avocado to this salad. Doesn't cost extra in this video. Check it out. Does it make your day when you slice an avocado in half and it's epic and ready to eat? It does make my day. Let me know in the comments what your experience with avocados is, because sometimes it can be good, sometimes it's not so bueno. And of course, I'm also gonna add some blue cheese to this Cobb salad because I love blue cheese. And last but not least is this red wine vinaigrette, which I keep in my fridge. It takes 2 minutes to make, and when I want it, I just grab it, give it a good shake, and it lasts up to a week. So it definitely is worth making your own salad dressing. Let's drizzle it over the top. So I'm gonna build my base with some freshly washed romaine lettuce. I love romaine because it's crunchy and so delicious, and it fills you up and makes a perfect base for salads. I'm gonna build a salad with some really juicy cherry tomatoes. They're actually grape tomatoes because they're oval, but I'm gonna slice them in half. You can also use your garden tomatoes, fresh tomatoes for this salad. Now I love cheese on my salads, and on this one I'm adding bocconcini or like little mini mozzarella balls. You could add your favorite cheese. I also love a sharp cheese with this salad because it contrasts the blackened chicken really well. Now the star of the show is this blackened chicken that I made in another video, and I love using it on my salads, on pasta. You can even cook a few pieces like I did ahead of time, keep it in the fridge for a few days and build incredible salads with it. Or other meals like my blackened chicken pasta. I'll link all of that below. I have an entire playlist and the seasoning is so good. I'm gonna add some avocado because I have an incredibly ready to eat avocado, which makes everything better and really delicious. It also fills you up. And what would tomato and mozzarella be without some fresh basil? So let's chop some of these and sprinkle it on top. If you don't have fresh basil and you have a jar of pesto sauce from dinner, you can also use that. I'm using some green leaf lettuce for this salad. You can use green leaf or romaine. Just remember to chop it up as big or small as you like, and then place it directly inside of your container as the base. I'm also gonna slice some cherry tomatoes in half, but if you don't wanna go through the trouble, you can leave them whole and place them in your salad. I'm chopping a bit of a shallot. You could also use a red onions, they're cousins anyway, and place it on my salad. Avocado and crispy chicken go so well together, so sometimes I take an avocado and I dice it up and add it in here. However, today, my avocado is hard as a rock, so we're gonna skip that. But if you've got one that's ready to go, by all means, place it in your salad. Chicken strips are the key to making this salad happen real quick. I cooked these chicken strips in the air fryer last night to golden perfection, and these two are the lucky ones that get to make it into the salad today. So what I'm gonna do is slice them into little pieces and place them directly on top. My biggest recommendation to keeping everything fresh until lunch is to pack your favorite dressing in a separate small lidded container. Here I'm adding some ranch and I'm gonna take the lid and place it right on top. By the way, if you find tips like this one helpful, give this video a thumbs up so I know to always add them in my videos for you. Now you can make the salad in the morning real quick in like 5 minutes, or you could also make this the night before once the chicken is fully cooled down because you don't want to wilt your lettuce, and then place it in the refrigerator, and in the morning pull it out and grab some ice packs, place those inside of your lunch bag, place the salad right on top, and the dressing in this lunch is ready to go. Now the dressing is always added at the very end, right before you're gonna enjoy it, and I just like to drizzle it right over my chicken and greens just like that, and the salad is good to go. See you next time.